Hi everybody, this is Sean here from Pass First Time, and this is just a quick video. Because of the weather this week, a lot of people are wondering about how to check if their driving test is going ahead or not, or what to do if your driving test is cancelled because of the weather. Now the answer is you go to the RSA website, and what people have got a little confused on is when they come to the website, if the banner here is showing either coronavirus or a Brexit banner, you're wondering where is the banner for the weather, but there are three banners at the start here, so you have to wait for the weather banner to come around is the answer here. So here is the bad weather conditions banner. You click view here in the corner and you get a list of the test centres around the country, and you can see which tests are cancelled. Now the time that the tests are cancelled for doesn't go up until about half an hour before your test date, or test time, in most test centres. So if your test will say is at 12:30, it will probably be after 12 before it goes up that your test has been cancelled. For instance, today in Roscommon, the tests at 9 and 10:05 have been cancelled already. So this is where you check to see if your test is going ahead or not, if they're resuming tests. Most of the week they have started testing in a lot of test centres around lunchtime when things had thawed out and the road is that bit safer. If your test is cancelled, or if you can't make it to the test centre, even if the weather conditions at the test centre are good, but where you live the conditions are very bad, down at the bottom here are the instructions to tell you what to do. So this is if it's unsafe for you to travel, you just read the directions there. Or if your booking is cancelled by the RSA, in other words, if the test doesn't go ahead because the RSA don't feel it's safe, you just read these instructions here and follow those instructions. And in both instances, you will be rescheduled, you will get another date, and it won't cost you anything. So hopefully that helps there. If you are driving over the next couple of days, even into the weekend, it's still supposed to stay cold. So keep it nice and safe out there. Only drive if you have to. If you do get to do your test in the afternoons, the best of luck with the driving test. Hopefully you found this helpful. And for more helpful tips on the driving test, check out our website, PassFirstTime.ie.